For all the latest updates, subscribe to News9.
Hi, you're watching News9 Digital. I'm Pratibha. The total number of coronavirus cases across the country has now surged past the 35 lakh mark as well. And the last 1 week has been the worst one yet for the country in terms of the coronavirus cases being reported. Almost on a everyday basis, the daily caseload of the coronavirus cases has gone past 75,000 mark. Apart from that, over the last 4 days, over 1,000 deaths are also being reported across the country. So in the last 1 week alone, almost 5 lakh coronavirus cases have been reported across the country. In terms of the deaths as well, almost 7,000 deaths have been reported in just the last 1 week, and the numbers continue to rise as we've been seeing. As the days progress, the numbers also continue to increase across the country as well. So this is quite worrying. What's also worrying is the fact that a few states continue to give out the total number of cases that are much higher than the other states. Maharashtra, for instance, where even though strict measures continue to be taken, it continues to be the worst affected state, and there is no downward trajectory as far as the fresh cases are concerned. These are, of course, some of the worrying factors in terms of the numbers that have been reported. But the Union Health Ministry has time and again been saying that India's numbers are increasing because more tests are being conducted. As of now, India is the worst affected country in terms of the daily cases that are being reported. In total, of course, it is the third worst affected country. So the Union Health Ministry says that the number of tests that are being conducted are quite high. But in terms of the population of the country, it is still low, because even now our positivity rate in terms of tests is 8 to 9%. Positivity rate is calculated based on the number of tests that have been conducted and the number of people who have tested positive, which means if 100 tests are being conducted, about 8 to 9 people still continue to test positive for coronavirus. So this means enough tests is not being done, because in the other countries, the positivity rate is as low as 1%. South Korea, for instance, the positivity rate is 1%. For a city like New York, which is known as, which was the epicenter of coronavirus as well, the positivity rate has come down to 1%. So this is the reason why India also needs to increase its tests, so much so that very soon we come down to just 1%, and that's when we'll know that enough tests are being conducted. And experts believe that there are several more cases as well that are going unreported, and they believe that even though on paper in the official data that's given out, if the numbers are 35 lakh, the actual numbers could be more than 3 crore as well. This opinion by the experts is based on the serological survey that has been conducted in few of the cities, in Delhi, some parts of Bombay as well. And in the serological survey, it has revealed that about 30 to even 60% in some of the places, people have tested positive. Even if they had not officially tested positive, the antibody suggests that they had coronavirus at some point or the other. So this is concerning, which means unreported cases might be much higher than what we expect. But on the positive side, we also do know that this means that there is much more resistance as well. So the death rate also could be much lower than it actually is on paper. So of course, the testing needs to be amplified, and our wait for the coronavirus vaccine continues as well. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.